near you on Instagram. In this video, I'll share with you step by step on how to see people or how to find people near you in Instagram. After you open your Instagram like this, tap on this search at the bottom. After you tap on this search, now tap on this search at the top. So now type in your current location that you are currently in. So for me, I'll just go ahead and type in my current location. So I'll just go ahead and type in my current location, Malaysia, like this, Malaysia. So after you type in your current location, now tap on this search at the bottom. After you tap on this search, now tap on this places. So in these places, as you can see now go ahead and choose your current location in this suggested location that Instagram gives you. So for me, I'll just go ahead and choose, here is my location. After you choose your current location, tap on this recent. So now allow it to finish loading all the Instagram posts that made from your location in the recent time. So as you can see now, here is all the posts that made in recent in my current location. As you can see now you can go ahead and open all these people. These all are the people that are currently near you on Instagram. So let's say if I open, let's say this people, as you can see, if I open this person now, as you can see now, I will open the person, I'll open the person profile. As you can see now, I can be able now to go and follow the person and connect with him, since this person come from my location. As you can see now, that's it guys on how to find or how to see people near you on Instagram. You can go ahead and open their post and connect with them. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.